Stop wasting time digging through menus. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you real, working Hisense TV remote hidden shortcuts that technicians actually use. These tricks work on most Hisense Android TV, Google TV, and Vita OS models. No fake codes, no myths, only practical shortcuts. First trick, quick restart without unplugging. If your Hisense TV is lagging, frozen, or apps are not opening, press and hold the power button on the remote for 5 to 7 seconds. A restart menu will appear. Select Restart. This clears temporary cache and fixes slow response issues. Second trick, Instant Input Source Menu. Press the Input or Source button once. If your remote does not have it, press and hold the Home button for 3 seconds. This opens HDMI, AV, and TV input list directly. Useful when switching between PS5, set-top box, or Fire Stick. Third trick, Hidden Picture Mode Shortcut. While watching any content, press the menu button, then press up, then down quickly. The picture mode panel opens instantly. You can change standard, dynamic, movie, or game mode without going deep into settings. Fourth trick, Quick Sound Settings Access. Press the menu button, then press right twice. This opens sound mode options. You can switch between standard, theater, sports, or game sound instantly. Fifth trick, Service Level Information Screen. Press Menu, then type 1999 using the remote number keys. This opens a system information page. You can check panel resolution, software version, and signal status. Do not change any value here. Sixth trick, Fast Wi-Fi Reset without full reset. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Wi-Fi Settings. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn Wi-Fi on again. If your router supports dual band, connect to 2.4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for speed. Seventh trick, Hidden Power Saving Shortcut. Press Home. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving, then go to Set Time. Disable Sleep Timer if your TV turns off automatically. Eighth trick, App Force Close Shortcut. Press and hold the back button for 3 seconds inside any app. The app will close completely. This fixes black screen and audio-only issues. Final technician tip. If the remote is not responding, remove batteries, press all buttons once, then reinsert batteries. This discharges static electricity. These are tested, real Hisense TV remote shortcut tricks used by technicians. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real fixes.